Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify error. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify error, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list of apps, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.